What is up, guys? Welcome to Sweets in a Boat, the YouTube channel about fixing, driving, and enjoying your boat in Stockholm Archipelago. Today, I'm continuing working on those underwater transom lights. I'm going to do the panel and make that good, and then we're going to head out to the boat. I'm also going to start some other projects like my mid-cabin, navigation light, and continuing with that door where I replaced that floppy vinyl. So let's start doing that panel, and then we head out to the boat and continue out there. And here is the little panel that we're going to install here. So let's open this up a little bit more. See what we do. Let's cut this open and see if we can fit it in there and then make it look good. I'm by the boat and now I'm gonna install the panel, and I'm gonna install that down there on where the VHF radio was before, and draw some cable, get it installed, and see if it works. Right, let's do it. Right, so I ran the cable from the cockpit, and now I'm gonna connect it to this. Let's do this, install this, see how it works. Alright guys, step one of my Transom lights is done. As I said, I'm ordering another light, so I'm gonna have 3 lights in total, but install those 2 later on. But one thing I'm checking right now is that I want to put a nav light. I'm gonna put the camera down over there, and then I'm gonna put this and see, because I want it to be not to light up the whole foredeck, be visible if I'm in a tilting situation and meeting like small craft and all that. I want my boat to be visible, so let's check that out. So another thing I noticed is that I'm gonna have the bimini. It's gonna cover a bit of this, so I really need to think about the height there to make it good and visible. Because now I can see the radome, top of the radome, and I want the light up above that. To put it too low, let's go and check that out and see when that pops up. And see if it pops up. Alright guys, that looked good, but I think it's going to be a little bit too high, so I'm going to put it somewhere in between and go for that one, and hopefully it will be, because the camera was pretty low on the foredeck, and you'll never meet traffic that is that low on the horizon. So let's put it somewhere in the middle and go from there. Let's put it like this. I have a marking, and it's gonna be there. So I'm gonna cut it off, weld that on. Now let's put it there. It's gonna be high enough. Put it there. Then we can also adjust here, up and down. Have some extra room here to be able to adjust it up and down, and cut it there. That's a little bit too low. That's somewhere here. Then I'm gonna put extra brackets on, keep it in place, and it's gonna be cool. Let's do this somehow. If it's too long, I can cut it. If it's too short, I can put an extra piece of pipe, make it longer. So, and also I want some quick release here to be able to stow it. You know, when I'm gonna take this cover off, I don't want to damage it. So I'm gonna have some sort of thing here to be able to take it off. Weld it, put some brackets. Another project, you know, that I have mentioned before is I'm gonna build a proper door here. So I removed the old profile that was here that had that little slit in it to put that ugly bad thing like vinyl stuff. So remove that, the new one here. lunch now. Alright guys, I'm back with lunch, and I took a trip to my local glass shop to get the glass for the window, see if there's a match. This is pretty close. Really close. And then I got a thicker one, laminated. It's really close too, but a little bit darker. I think I'm gonna go with this. It's gonna be a little bit lighter, and I think the transparency is better. Laminated creates a lot of reflection and refraction. This one is a solid glass, so I'm gonna go with this one. So that's green float glass 4mm, and the other one was laminated green 5.38mm. I'll go with this one, a little thinner, but the match was perfect. It's gonna be really nice on my my new door. Really happy with that. But first I need to finish my frame, go over to that shop and order the glass, take it from there. So what I need here is something here to hold port light. What we also need is put in some new carpet, and then insulation and vinyl for that wall. So number one is create that something to hold that window. The outer part is gonna have like 20mm or an inch or something of material to hold it in place. And then we need the carpet, and then the vinyl. As you can see, the vinyl will go over the carpet, I guess. First we need to clean this out and go and get the carpet. It's not really transparent. Perhaps I need a new one. I don't know. Someone gonna be sitting looking out the window. Right, let's do it. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Super happy with those transom lights. Gonna be super good. Still waiting for the delivery of one, and then I'm gonna finalize that. Also continue working on that nav light. It's gonna be up here. Gonna build that bracket. You're gonna see that in the upcoming episode. And also fix that door and continue working on my mid cabin. Putting the carpet in, putting some vinyl in, also fixing that window. It's gonna be super good. So if you like this content, please consider subscribing, hit that notification so you don't miss out on any future content. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.